Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a wireless carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to the carrier that originally sold it, and they need to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier. Now, here with me today, I happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. We can see that from the startup screen here, and then we've got the Samsung logos and text here on the back. Now, this one just happens to be from Sprint here in the US. We'll be able to see that as it's booting up here. We've got the Sprint logo showing. But we're making this video today to let our clients know that we do offer an unlock service for this device, and that's actually something that we've done to this device here already. So we can take a look here and see how well the focus cooperates. But we've got our Cricket SIM card inserted here, the one that we use for testing here at the business. I think this will probably work better if I jump into the settings, just so you can see what's going on here. So if we go under status, we can see that we are indeed registered on the Cricket network, and we've got our LTE signal popping in there. So this device is one that has been SIM unlocked from Sprint and is able to be used on other carriers, as we can see here. So if you have a Sprint Galaxy S8 active and would like to get it SIM unlocked for use on another carrier, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has everything in there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that interests you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.